We really closely monitor our customers' adoption of our software. Each of our clients gets a customer service manager, and we track metrics and benchmarks against our entire customer base. And so we enable them to be able to take this data internally. Just earlier today, I met one of our customers, and she talked about how they use the data to display to the board the efficiencies and also the straight-through processing and controls they have in place. Some of our clients have achieved really high levels of certification, automation. Having great technology requires adoption of that technology for your compliance program. So we see straight-through processing for PA dealing approvals. We see increased adoption and automation of certifications. We see our customers moving towards a more exception-based compliance framework, which is ideally what you want. And so the ROI for each customer will be materially different. However, the goal is always straight-through processing and automation and exception-based processing. It's a real challenge in working out exactly where you're going to see that ROI, and it really starts with where you're starting from. We work with a number of firms that are using legacy on-prem tech, and there you're going to see real cost benefits as you move to lighter, more agile cloud-based solutions. And so our clients see a real cost saving from that perspective. Our customers also see a huge operational lift. So they reduce the number of full-time employees that are required to process standard requests. We see other firms materially reducing their risk, perhaps coming from a manual process where things are really disparate and it's hard to bring the controls. We do know that our compliance customers are being challenged by their boards to show efficiency gains. We know that the advent of AI means that they're going to get fewer headcounts as they look to embrace AI technologies and bring that operational efficiency internally. But I think there's more to come. I think that the collaboration between data teams, IT, and compliance teams is hugely important for successful adoption of AI. As we look at the types of skills that compliance employees need to have as the world changes, you're really looking for very tech empathetic compliance employees. Folks need to understand the underlying models that are in place. It's not acceptable to simply hand off something to AI. You need to understand how those decisions were made, the underlying algorithms. Data is always king. Everybody's got to get off Excel. And so your data teams and data integration is hugely important. And then was the third one, it was IT teams, of course. You need IT to help bring all of this stuff together. And so, we're not working in silos in this new world. That is a good question. So this is my first global RegTech event, and it has been amazing. I've been blown away by the interaction that we've had with our existing customers and our prospects. It's been great to meet with potential partners. It's been really great to learn about some of the key themes. So for us as a sponsor and as a vendor in this space, it has been hugely important, and I look forward to this continuing.